Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Zoom to Calendly for auto links. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect Zoom to Calendly for auto links, all you gotta do is simply log in into your Calendly account. Once you're in your Calendly account, you need to navigate to the integrations and apps section from the top or side menu. You need to now locate and select the Zoom integration as well. So if you see in the home screen, you can find the option called integration and apps. Simply tap on it and there you can locate Zoom easily. Once you locate Zoom, you need to tap on it and connect Zoom. You will be redirected to Zoom's sign-in page. So you need to simply sign in into your Zoom account and authorize Calendly to access your account. If your organization manages your Zoom account, a Zoom administrator must pre-approve the Calendly app in the Zoom marketplace before individual users can connect their account. So if you gotta do this, you can set your Zoom as the location for the event types and hit the save button. This is how you can connect Zoom to Calendly for auto links. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.